This morning I open my eyes, the light flows gently into my soul. Last night's worries I leave behind. Today I start a brand new story. A cup of coffee, a quiet smile, light steps on a little street. I hear the birds start to sing, as if they're saying, rise and begin. No need to fear the dark of last night, no need to doubt the silent dreams inside. Today I choose to keep moving on, slowly but my faith stays strong. My first step this morning, a gift I give to my dreaming. Every second stands as proof I rise again, I feel alive again. My first step this morning, I offer to the shining sun. Feel its warmth inside my heart, I'm ready for today to start. A long road lies ahead of me. Some days